Hello students, I am Dr. Nasreen Hanifa, postgraduate scholar final year from All India Institute of Ayurveda in the Department of Shalya Tantra, and I was All India rank 9 in the batch 2018 AIA PGT. Now, it is a very crucial time for those who are appearing in AIA PG 2021, and in this time you must know that what should be the points of last minute revision and what portion you must include in your last minute revision points. So the portion which possess more than 50% of the syllabus for the AIA PGT, it is from Charak Samhita. So you need to revise Charak Samhita thoroughly, even if you have prepared for last 1 year or more than 1 year for Charak Samhita. But still, in this last minute, in this last few months, you need to think wisely, you need to sit wisely, work smartly so as to revise this Samhita very appropriately. So don't worry. For this, we are here. I'll be teaching as a faculty in the Apt Ayurveda platform in Apt Shiksha classes, and few more faculties will be joining me too, and will be teaching the whole Charak Samhita in a span of 2 months, and weekly assessment will be there. More than 1500 questions will be given to you for your own practice after every class, and weekly mock test will be there, and thus will be assessing you, and you will be getting repolished again and again every week, and every week you will be strengthening your Charak Samhita much more. So I'll be taking Viman Sthan of Charak Samhita in 8 classes, that is 8 chapters in 8 classes, and almost half portion of Chikitsa Sandhara 15 classes. So these classes I'll be taking, I'll be covering these portions, and I'll be teaching you my own tips and tricks, how to remember those chapters, how to learn those things, and how to memorize those things. I'll be teaching you, and I'll be telling you what are the difficulties you can face while learning those chapters. So I'll be giving you some tricks, or I'll be telling you how to choose smartly, how to choose the portion which you need to revise from those chapters or from those portions. So these are the guidance we faculty will be giving at the Apt Shiksha platform. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab this opportunity. Go to the description box, click on the registration link, and register yourself for the Apt Shiksha classes. The classes will be commencing from 5th of June. So don't get late and grab this opportunity as soon as possible. Till then, all the best. Stay healthy, stay at home, and don't miss out the Apt Shiksha classes.